Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session, you will learn how to find out a given input number is odd number or even number in Python. This is the Python editor where we are writing this program. A number is even if the division by 0 given a remainder of given by 2, a remainder of 0, it's an even number. If the number is 1, if it is odd number, the results. See, let's the program the declaration of num equal to int of input, which is taking the input of the user input here. Enter a number, which number you want to check whether that is even number or odd number. If number is percentile of 2 equal to 0, print is even number. That number, entered number, is printed over here, else it shows that it's an odd number. Now let's check with the program. Go to run. The output, it's asking enter a number. I am entering 5. Press enter. 5 is odd. And again run. The number is 6. 6 is even. That much of very much simple program of Python. See, once again I will explain you line by line. The number equal to int bracket input bracket start, enter a number, close the double quotes and brackets. If the conditions if and else, if else condition are used over this program over here, you better understand if the condition and print the condition satisfaction. If the condition is not satisfied, else part will be goes to the print. Here I am declaring this is a even, and here it is an else condition, it is odd. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share, like and comment if any of your views. Thank you.